If your vegetable garden isn't looking the way you hoped this June, you're not alone. Maybe your leaves are turning yellow, your plants are drooping, or things just seem to have stopped growing. Today I'll show you 5 common warning signs your garden may be asking for help, and some simple things you can do about them. Yellow leaves are one of the most common concerns for beginner gardeners. Sometimes the problem is too much water. Other times your plants may be lacking nutrients. Before reaching for the hose, check the soil first. Start by feeling the soil a couple of inches below the surface. If it's still wet, wait before watering again. If your plants seem stalled, a little compost or balanced fertilizer may help. A wilted plant isn't always begging for water. Hot afternoons can make even healthy plants droop temporarily. The key is whether they recover when temperatures cool down. Check your plants again later in the day. If they recover by evening, they're likely dealing with temporary heat stress. A layer of mulch can help keep moisture more consistent. Seeing flowers but no vegetables can be frustrating. Heat, poor pollination, or excess fertilizer can all interfere with fruit production. Take a look around your garden and see if pollinators are visiting. If not, adding flowers nearby can help attract them. Also, be careful not to overfeed with high nitrogen fertilizers. The good news is that most garden problems don't require a complete overhaul. Usually, one small adjustment can make a big difference. Let's look at 2 more signs that often confuse beginner gardeners before we get to your cheat sheet at the end. If you're seeing holes in your leaves, something is probably helping itself to your garden. The sooner you identify the cause, the easier it is to prevent more damage. Start by checking underneath damaged leaves. Look carefully for signs of pests and remove them before the problem spreads. Regular inspections can save a lot of frustration later. Sometimes plants don't look sick, they just stop growing. This can happen when nutrients are depleted, roots become crowded, or summer conditions become stressful. Check whether your plants have enough room to grow. A boost of compost or balanced fertilizer may be all they need to get moving again. Here's a quick garden health check you can save for later. Feel free to pause here or take a screenshot to keep on your phone for the next time you're out in the garden. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you enjoy simple gardening tips after 50, we'd love to have you subscribe and join us here at Blueberry Hill Creatives. We're here to help make gardening feel easy, more peaceful, and a little less overwhelming. Until next time, start small and keep it simple.